Hi, my name is Mike or Kubera. Bitcoin. I was about to go to sleep until I checked the charts just out of curiosity. I'm going to mute myself so I don't hear it. But hopefully you guys are well. Hi, Vape Nation. Uh-oh is correct. To be quite honest, I'm actually kind of happy about it. Like it's a good thing. It's a good thing long term because it's just a little correction. Well, a little one. It dropped like $2,000, but Edge King. That's why I pulled out. See, I'm not freaking out because I don't have all my money invested into Bitcoin. You is Senpai. You is ignoring me. Hijack. Actually, the meeting was canceled from Friday, but it's kind of like it's an interesting one. This one was weird, but it was good. It was good. So I'll keep you updated with that. Time to add to the stack. No, it's actually interesting. Yo, I have lost a lot of money pulling out of Steam, and it's still going down. It's at 80 cents now, just because I had too much money in Steam. So it's like it's taking forever to get it out, but I don't care about it anymore. Like the further, even if it dropped down to 60 cents, I made my profit. That's it. You need to know when to get out because as you can see, it's very volatile. So with Bitcoin, with Ethereum, with Dash went up 40% today. I know some people who have made a lot of money, and I'm thinking about that. I'm like, yeah, good for them. Good for them. I don't know why. I haven't really checked into it yet. Bitcoin Cash, it went up like 58% yesterday or 57 or whatever. And then there was one person who commented on my videos who's like, yeah, Bitcoin Cash is going to go to like $3,000, and no, no, it fell, and it's still in the positives today, but it's interesting to kind of see a slight correlation. Okay, well, maybe more than slight, but there's definitely a correlation between Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. When Bitcoin's going down, Bitcoin Cash is sort of going up, whatever. But that's only because there was a pump. I believe there was a pump, and of course, there's that whole thing with Roger Ver and selling Bitcoin. The drop was horrible, man. I don't know. It's not that bad. Like people who are seriously affected by this most likely have not diversified their portfolio and are using money that they can't afford to lose, which if you can afford to lose like $10,000 or 1,000 or whatever it is that you have in Bitcoin, it's like whatever. Or like Alex over here, I only have $33 in Bitcoin. I just sold over 1,400 a week ago. You are very smart, Alex. You know why? Because you sold when you could have and it profited. Now there's those people who are going to be like, well, you could have hold. Let's see, what's the common comment? You could have held onto it, Kubera, right? Because they target me. They get so upset that I sold my Bitcoin when Bitcoin was at 3,000, at 4,000, at 5,000, at 6,000. Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean you're selling Bitcoin? I thought you sold all your Bitcoin. No, it's because I earn Bitcoin. So it's like, I don't care. I always get more Bitcoin. I sell and I convert into fiat because most likely crypto. I stopped watching to watch this stream, and yeah. Hi, Frosty. Steam is being updated. Yeah, Steam went to through an update, but I kind of don't care anymore. It's too late. It's too late. I wanted it faster. I know I'm impatient, but whatever. So I actually made money on Bitrex buying Steam at its regular dips, keeping on exchange and then selling when it goes up 10% again. Well, congratulations, Will C. Welcome to the trading world. Don't get too greedy because most likely, you know how like 90% of people lose their money eventually trading? But actually, I'm kind of curious. Why is Dash going up? So let's figure out why is Dash going up. It's 42% up right now. It's approaching $500. The quickest thing to do is check the Dash community on Reddit and see what's going on over there. Is this updated? No, this isn't the updated one. I typed in reddit.r/dash. This is like some soccer team. Is it Dash Pay? What's the, oh my goodness. See, this is the trouble when you can't even get your own subreddit because Dash Pay, there we go. Okay, I had a bookmark, but I was like, whatever. I don't know. I don't know. Tired of Bitcoin splitting on you? Try Dash. We don't fork you around. Very interesting. I don't know. There doesn't seem to be Dash is implementing too much. That's what Cryptoverse was talking about. Okay, okay, there we go. Okay, so they're implementing two. Thank you, Jack. Now you kind of reminded me what's going on. Yeah, because a couple nights ago, uh, I hope Chris has made some cash on it. I hope Chris has made some cash on it because Chris was telling me about the Dash. I started looking a little bit into Dash because there's this program where if for like 9 Dash you pay and they have a marketing budget. It's like $2 million every month or whatever it is. And the top projects earn a certain amount of Dash through it. Now, the only problem is you need to pay 9 Dash. Every single person who wants to participate 9 Dash, which at the moment, 9 Dash is like $4,500. But there's some people out there that own a fair amount of Dash. I know, I hope the best for them. But okay, so Sedgwick 2 times failed, and it's the crash of Bitcoin. Bitcoin's dead. Everyone, Bitcoin's dead. I'm just kidding. It's not. It's funny how people get so emotional about this stuff. It's like, I get it. Money's on the line, but it's a little correction. It's good. And it's good that Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash are fighting it out. And there's like a full out war. Okay, not really, but there's going to be a war with Bitcoin. There's going to be a lot of people who are going up against each other. And that's just it's going to drive the price down for a little bit, but it's going to get rid of all the bad crap out there. So it's the same thing with ICOs. 90% of the projects out there will just be sucked under the mud, right? And then the good projects will remain because ICOs are a good thing. Initial cryptocurrency, oh my goodness, initial coin offerings, not initial, technically it's the same thing. We want ICOs to survive because it's a new technology. We want the blockchain, we want decentralized futures and all of that. But with Bitcoin and Ethereum, I feel like they're going to have some interesting, they're going to have a couple rough months pretty soon. Miners moved to BCH. Bitcoin hash power dropped over 50% on last difficulty adjustment November 10th. Miners will move back to Bitcoin on November 25th. But to be quite honest, personally, I hate miners. I don't like miners. I think they're all a bunch of, okay, I'm not going to say it, but I think they're just emotional pricks. That's the kid-friendly version. That's what I'll say. Also, they're not good at business. Like, I would rather have manipulating corporations running Bitcoin than miners having a say in the community. Like, I get, thanks miners. It's kind of like how Google, thanks to Google, we have YouTube. Oh, thank you for giving us amazing YouTube with ad problems and just a fantastic support team and CEO that really cares about everybody. So I'd rather the community get rid of the bad people. And by bad, I mean anybody who doesn't help contribute towards more money, which at the end of the day, cryptocurrencies, they do have a nice future and all, but the main thing you should be focused on is just money. That's it. Because most of the cryptocurrencies out there, the only reason they have value is speculation, where they will die out pretty soon. Because think about it, like, I don't know, some of these stupid projects that are asking for cryptocurrency crowdfunding, don't be evil is Google's motto. Yeah. A lot of these cryptocurrency ICOs, like let's say video games on the blockchain, you don't need that. You don't need a ICO for video games on the blockchain. No. You can crowdfund that. Or I don't know, there's just a bunch of these projects where some of them make sense, but not really, because it's impossible to implement that technology, where they just have unrealistic goals where they think they can change an entire industry and the entire world. Let's say you're going to suddenly take on Hollywood, or you're going to take on the government or whatever. No, you're not. You're just going to get a couple $1 million and then flee. ICOs are a good thing, but bad ICOs are giving a bad reputation. I don't know. I'm kind of curious. What do you guys think about miners? What do you guys think about these CEOs that signed Sedgwick 2 times cancellation behind closed doors? Because I put myself in their position. Like, what would I do if I was one of them? I don't know. It's oh, why did I lose my chat? No, no. Okay, hold up. Let me restore to the chat. I'm not going to be playing around. And there we go. Pop out the chat. Let's see what you guys are saying. But miners only care for profit, but when it goes wrong, it's everyone else's fault. Here's the thing. Miners don't even get that much profit. Do you know how profitable it is to run a mining farm? Not so profitable. I should have went further into details because you have to pay for the electricity. You have to pay for failing equipment because it will fail. You have to pay for the employees who will go through everything because you have to run a farm because if it's just your computer, I think the only viable solution for mining is when you steal other people's computers and use their computers. Where do you get your Bitcoins if you don't mine and you don't buy them? I earn them through affiliate programs. I earn them through investments, and I swap my tokens for Bitcoin. So let's say I get paid $4,000 in Ethereum or a ICO's tokens or whatever's, then I switch them out usually. But yeah, I'm going to promote while watching. Hey, YouTube friends, I make YouTube videos with blockchain project creators and record events. Check out the channel, Crypto Cats. Oh, wow. But you know what? I'll give you a look. Let's see. You got 88 subscribers, but I'm not going to judge. Oh, God. One of the first things I see, Crypto Cats, is your face, which is kind of having a face behind a project and a channel, great. But you need thumbnails. My thumbnails aren't great, but I have some thumbnails. Jack, are you talking about Go Big or? Oh, no, wait. Jack, you started your own crypto channel, yeah? Jack started his own crypto channel. How's that going? I haven't checked in. I think I gave you a subscriber. 17 days till Laser's ICO. Oh, my Jesus. You're... Don't tell me, actually. I haven't really been following that. Oh my goodness. They're going for it. No. 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 Yo, I'm actually glad I'm getting out. I'm not going to regret it a single bit because when it falls, it'll fall hard. It'll fall hard. You can't get too greedy with this stuff. Greed is good, but when you get too greedy, you know what will bring down a lot of these cryptocurrencies? It's the scam projects. So when suddenly you have like, I don't know, let's say the top 50 cryptocurrencies, at least 10 or 15% of them will fall due to the fact that they're Ponzi's or pyramid schemes over the next 2 years. That'll have a ripple effect in the community when you're talking about billions of dollars. Do you think it's worth it to buy Bitcoin Cash right now? I don't know. I'm not in a position where I'm able to fully recommend any purchases or investments, but honestly, it could be interesting. I wouldn't be buying any Bitcoin because it could be the beginning of the correction, but I think there's still a little bit more time with it though because of the holidays and because of new people coming in. But I gotta jump in now. I got at least 18 days or so. Well, here's the thing. You don't know if Laser fully will be okay with it. I'll help you when Russia invades. Thanks for coming over from the other channel. What's the best trading site? Well, I'll tell you what I don't use, what I hate. I don't use GDAX because it's connected with Coinbase, and Coinbase are the Comcast of the cryptocurrency world, where they banned me and they haven't even responded to my emails. So I forgot about Coinbase. Thankfully, I was able to withdraw $3,000 with a Bitcoin. Wait a second. I'm never getting my, what was it? What was I supposed to get? I just realized this for the first time. I am not getting my Bitcoin Cash or whatever. Was Coinbase supposed to pay out on before January 1st, the Bitcoin Cash or whatever? I forgot. No, because there was 2 hard forks. There was going to be the 3rd hard fork, right? And Coinbase had the whole thing. Did I never get that because now my Coinbase account is banned and I'm not gonna? Wow. Not Bitcoin Cash. Which was the? I can't remember. I can't remember because I haven't been interested in Coinbase for the past like month and a half now. Can I buy Bitcoin from you, Kubera? I'm sorry, I don't sell any more Bitcoin. I literally sold the last bit of Bitcoin I had to somebody, and that's it. So, do you have a video about how you earned those Bitcoins? I think I do. I think I do, but it's a little bit. Yeah, I have to. I have to because I talked about it probably like a month ago about why you shouldn't invest in Bitcoin, why you should earn it or whatever. I forgot what the title was. It was like affiliate earnings, something like that. Just type in Kubera affiliate Bitcoin, earning Bitcoin, something like that. Guys should check out my channel. People say I have a good eight. Oh, your channel is literally just Jack Crypto. That's what it is. Okay. I'll actually throw up Jack's channel. Maybe some viewers might see this. Wait. Hold up. Come on, Jack. Why have you stopped uploading here? Update on activity. You haven't uploaded. Jack, Bitcoin, hello. This is very important. Bitcoin, let's see where Bitcoin is at right now. It's oh boy. I need to have everything ready. I need to get a second monitor. Oh, it jumped up to $5,950. Jack, you should be reporting on this immediately. What's going on with IOTA? What's going on with Ripple? Ooh, Ripple got dumped. I remember I used to have like $5,000 in Ripple. Ripple, good old Ripple. That was back before the summer even started. I had 16-hour shifts for 4 days. Give me a break. Quit your job, Jack. Start a crypto channel. That's right. I implore you to quit your job. Just screw it and just drop everything. Burn the boats. Go fully into crypto. Sell your kidneys. That's right. Avi, do you think Bitcoin is going to be? Weeaboo trash. Listen, you have to invest every single penny you have right now into Bitcoin. You know, every single penny because you're going to make a bunch of money. Like just so much money that you won't be able to. You won't know what to do with it. You know. Will Litecoin go up? Totally. I know all the answers. I don't know. Nobody knows. You shouldn't trust anybody. Think that they're all skeptical. Ooh, they're all skeptical. I'm the Bitcoin plug here. I just realized it's 1 in the morning and I'm behaving erratically because we're horny for crypto. I probably shouldn't have said that on a kid-friendly channel, but whatever. What if I just? Okay, I probably should have. Oh boy, oh no! I think it's about to fall down. Don't fall down. Kay was very happy with interview. Perfect. What is Bitcoin? I don't know. How much do you make from your channel? At this rate, hopefully I make like 200K, but we'll see. Honestly, I have most of my money in ICOs now, which is interesting. I'm going to have most of my money in ICOs. So by the end of this year, I'm probably going to have about $25,000 in ICO tokens and various ICOs. I'm investing in ICOs now because I'm kind of like switching perspectives where personally, the last one was into Hash where I invested personally into that. I wanted to invest more, but I needed to sell some Steam and pay off some bills. Dumb. I love this man's sarcasm. I love your kid-friendly channel. Being a part of the Steam community, what are your views on Jerry Banfield? I'm happy that he's made a lot of money, but that he's lost a lot of money as well by holding Steam. But here's the thing: if you're holding for the long term, long term, I think Steam's got some potentials. But whatever, $25,000 scam. Wait, hold up. The ICO thing is dumb. It's not. It's not dumb because here's why here's why I will be holding $25,000 because when making sponsored videos or when working with companies where I do want to work as an advisor for companies in the future, I want to get paid in their tokens. I don't want, or I might take like 50-50. So I might get 50% up front with Bitcoin and Ethereum and then sell that. But I want more tokens because that means more money. And if one or two ICOs really fail, whatever, I hope that the others go up. Where I've been talking with some other guys, and it's just like, I have a private equity fund that I can conservatively get investors upwards of 50%. Oh, really? Really? You have a private equity fund? Oh my goodness. Listen, you should totally call me. Let me just send you all my money. Wow. What are you going to do? What are you going to do with my money? You can get me up to 50% return. Whoa. Adonis Group. You can't, that's a horrible name. Adonis Group. You should do something like think Roman gods. I always resort to like ancient Greece, ancient Rome, Kubera. What did I resort to? Ancient like Hindu gods, the Hindu god king of wealth and prosperity, baby. That's right. Adonis. Hold up. Let me look this up. Maybe you did put some time and effort into this. Adonis. What's the first thing that pops up for Adonis? Adonis was killed by a wild boar. That is, oh, wait. You did go back. This is Greek mythology. So what's Adonis stand for? His name is often applied in modern times to handsome youths. Are you sure that this was the best thing to use for your group? He's portrayed. So what exactly does this mean? His meaning and purpose in Greek, what exactly does he do? I don't get it. Origin of the cult, mystery cults, blah, 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 blah. Okay, that doesn't really help. But it doesn't seem like, hold up. He was the god of beauty and desire. That's, what do I care about beauty and desire for? It's kind of like choosing, I don't know, Apollo or Hermes, the Hermes investment fund. Ooh, that would be so bad though. But that's only because of like Hermes luxurious perfumes. Well, they also do bags and stuff. Adonis is gay. Yeah, guys, definitely invest in Adonis Group. Totally. What price of? Hold up, Moiz Ahmed here is asking me what the price of Bitcoin will be in exactly 1 week. Listen, $17,000. It's going to be $17,000, $484 and 74 cents. That's right. Buy. But guys, that was a message only for Moise. Only for Moise. He's only person who should be buying right now. Everybody else, sell. Thanks. Yeah, Moise, no problem. Good luck. Good luck, Moise. Get schooled. No, but you should never like don't take that seriously, because there are stupid people out there that will take that seriously. Don't take investment advice from any one individual and make that your sole thing. Yeah, a lot of people, it doesn't even need to hit $10,000. $10,000 is going to have a bunch of resistance. For Bitcoin to go past $10,000, I don't know what it's going to require. It's going to require $300 billion market cap or $400 billion market cap. Are you crazy? I am crazy. Okay, listen, I need to buy $20,000 worth of Bitcoin. Totally. Mr. Kubera, are you still hiring? No, most likely not, because I have a bunch of emails I still need to go through, but I think I found my assistant. But Adonis Group is a management company I own for supplement companies they also own. That's not the name of my private equity company. Add in this group. Wait. Add in this. Add in this. I know this is an interesting way to get introduced, but if you're not a scam, email me. Let's chat. That might be actually fun. That might be fun. We could do like an interview or something. I don't know. But if you have a different name, I'm kind of curious what name you chose. See, it all comes back to the names. I'm happy that you used Greek mythology, though. But speaking of Bitcoin investment funds that aren't scams, I was actually talking with some crypto YouTubers. I know that sounded like a perfect transition. I was talking, don't worry, it's not my fund, and I'm not going to mention any names. But I was just chatting with other people who are starting hedge funds, and that's crazy to think about. There's going to be Bitcoin hedge funds I mean, there already are, and there's a bunch of them that are in the $100 million range. But pretty soon, there will be a bunch of these Bitcoin hedge funds that are just, it's crazy to think about. It's the new Wall Street, but it's not Wall Street because it's different rules, you know? Hi, Kerplunk. How are you? What if that group is a scam and this person is fake? Well, I kind of want to chat. We'll see. Mr. Kuber, are your teeth real? They're fake. Birdman put some respect on it. You're on fire, Michał Reszka. Are you from Poland? Let's check out your channel. See, it's interesting because then you here in Poland, for example, you're subscribed to me and Hacking the System. Cool. And Crypto Bobby and Crypto J and SpaceX. Elon Musk is cool. I know this is kind of random. Oh, you like my Bitcoin Sedgwick 2x stream. That was interesting. So yeah, pretty much for all the new people joining, Bitcoin dived down below $5,800, but it kind of recovered. It's at $5,900. Oh wow, big recovery. Pretty much what happened, a bunch of people made a bunch of money. They sold out. Boom, it's done. They got their Lamborghinis. They got their Rolexes. They don't care. So if you haven't sold your Bitcoin and you just lost a lot of Bitcoin and you can't afford to lose that Bitcoin, you have learned a very valuable lesson for the future. Always diversify, always sell a little bit of Bitcoin, earn more Bitcoin, and boom. Don't really care about investing because I literally don't care about the fact. I'm actually excited by the fact that Bitcoin dropped a lot because from my perspective, there's more money to be made soon. It's an exciting future. It's going to be interesting. More people will be getting into it. The people who cashed out, there's two choices for them. Either they're A, getting out of the business for good or for a while, or B, they will be putting their money back into cryptocurrencies pretty soon. But a lot of people made a bunch of money. Sedgwick 2x got canceled and it skyrocketed towards $7,900. And would you sign a non-disclosure investment? Oh, that's interesting. Would you sign an NDA and I send you our investor? Huh. Yeah, but if I signed an NDA, then I wouldn't be able to chat about it. But then again, that's interesting. Okay, yeah, no, we can chat. We can chat because I'm kind of curious. Let's just chat. See what's up. Send me an email to tychebitcoins and oh boy, I've received some really stupid emails in the past from people before. No, seriously, like I don't even check all my emails anymore because I just get a bunch of stupid emails. Welcome to the Bitcoin world. There's some people's grandmas and Uber drivers. No disrespect to Uber drivers. I've met some really hardcore crypto investor Uber drivers before that are grinding, going Gary Vaynerchuk style. That's great. NDAs are meaningless. They're almost impossible to enforce, says Jack. Jack, always interesting thoughts to throw out. Kubera, when I get large enough, do you want to collab on a video? Sure thing. I mean, it doesn't even have to be that hardcore. I think collaborations are a good enough. It doesn't really do that much, but it does a lot for you if you do a bunch of them. So if you go to networking events, if you meet up with people, it's all about building long-term relationships and all that stuff. I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin drops even more while I'm asleep, says Lollizors. You look like you listen to country hip hop, really. Hey, Cabrera, some YouTubers and people are saying the Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash situation is setups. It appears Bitcoin Cash spammed so many transactions the miners couldn't keep up, making a huge meme pool. Meme pool. Well, personally, from my perspective, I think Bitcoin Cash was a pump. And I don't support Bitcoin and I won't support Bitcoin Cash. But here's the thing. There was one person who actually responded to my comment yesterday who said, all the people who are silly and they're not supporting one cryptocurrency or their sides, they're on one side or another. I will respect the fact that, listen, those who understand that all of these cryptocurrencies, or that most of them, you shouldn't pick sides for, because you should care about the future, the vision that cryptocurrencies take over the world and they replace the banking system. They're not. They're just going to be another addition, because the US government doesn't even realize that, or governments across the world don't even realize, they're slowly starting to realize, but not fully, that cryptocurrencies are something else, okay? They're not an asset. They're not real estate. They're not, I don't know, commodity. They're none of that. They're not like a traditional stock. They're cryptocurrencies. It's a different category, you know? What's your opinion on Trayvon James? I'm happy that he's making a lot of money, so that's cool. That's awesome. Where are you from? You're living in Poland, but it seems like you're from the US as well. I moved from Chicago. I've been in Poland for the past 7 months, and it is a Monday, 1:20 in the morning here. I am flying out to Canada tomorrow. I'm flying out to Canada tomorrow. Wow. I need to get my bags packed. I'm flying out to Canada tomorrow to do a collaboration with a large YouTuber, and that is for my other channel. But then I'm flying from Canada again to Canada, because it's an in-flight from Toronto to Vancouver. That's for another collaboration, and then back to Toronto, and then to Canada for some ICO Mexico stuff. But it's not me promoting an ICO. Like, I mean, it is, but I'm also, this is going to be the first project that I'm an advisor on the board for. Like, I'll be helping out a company like in person, and because they're starting it. It's just a bunch of people who need cryptocurrency advice. So I thought, okay, why not? Cool. It'll be fun. I'm in Chicago, dude. Why would you live in Poland? Why wouldn't you? The girls are amazing. It's crazy. Like, but girls are not the most important thing. Those can come later. Money is. And in Poland, you're able to live for 4 times cheaper than Chicago. So if you're a cryptocurrency investor, or you're a YouTuber, or you make money online, then your Bitcoin, your dollars go 10 times further in Poland than they would anywhere else. I can buy Sprite cheaper. I can pay for internet, electricity cheaper. Water cheap. Internet is 4 or 5 times faster, and it's cheaper than what I paid for Comcast. Rent, I live on one of the best streets in Poland, where it's nothing compared to Chicago. Like, if I lived in the middle of Chicago, or I lived on like Michigan Boulevard in Chicago, do you know how much I'd be paying for 2 rooms, let alone 1 room? I'd be paying $5,000, $6,000, $7,000. If money isn't everything, go get a job at McDonald's. Wait, hold up. What? Jack says, if money isn't everything, go get a job at McDonald's, because that's where you belong. That's kind of reminds me of the Wolf of Wall Street. Best altcoin to buy and hold, Lyndon Franklin. It's Cabbage Coin. Cabbage Coin. It's the future. What do you think about Crypto Bobby? I don't know. I don't watch enough of his videos, but I think he's probably a really chill person. I'd want to meet him. I think hacking the system was fantastic. I think meeting Cryptoverse in person was fantastic. I think they're really awesome guys, really nice. Hope the best goes to them. I want to see them succeed. There is no competition, as Cryptoverse said, in the cryptosphere. There is no competition. There's only the opposition, which technically you can go back to Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash, the argument. There's no competition. There's only the opposition. In the end, we all want the same thing. So it's like, whatever. Hippie Mike seemed more empathetic, actually wanted to hear from his viewers. Now seems like if it isn't money, he doesn't care. Bring back Hippie Mike. Actually, I was like that from the very beginning. Money is one of the most important things out there in this life. And seriously, if you don't believe that, then just stop paying your bills for a second. And no. Let's chat about this. Stop paying your bills for a second. Wait for like a month. Wait for 2 months. The electricity is going to be turned off. The phone bills will pile up and your phone won't work. So no internet, no electricity, no warm water. And then suddenly, boom, you lose your house. You're back out on the curb. Oh, wait, money is important because it runs the world. And if you're trying to change the world, it's one of the most important things. What did the hippies want to achieve back in the 1960s? What did the counterculture movement want to achieve? They wanted to change the world. But what's one of the only ways you can change the world? Have political power or money. But what does political power rely on? Money, 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 money. So if you have access to this tool, you're able to use whatever you want. Gucci, Lamborghinis, islands, babes, that's all cool, but eventually you get bored of that. No, I'm serious. Like, the more millionaires I talk to, the more of them, they're spiritual. They're like, I don't really care about money. Of course, they went through the Lamborghini phase. They have their Lambos, they have their Jags, they have their Rolexes, whatever. And then they got over it because it's like, they have it. So now they're all like, whatever. Follow me on SoundCloud. Dude, you won't get an answer from him. Go ask someone else. Wait. Hold up. AMV tournaments. Should I buy Bitcoin or BTH? Should I buy Bitcoin or BTH? You won't get an answer from Kubera about that. Honestly, if I was in your position, I'd buy both. Like if you want an answer, if you want a real answer, should I buy this or should I buy that? So my answer of don't buy, don't invest, just earn won't be enough. So honestly, I'd buy both. If you can't afford to buy both, then you're not in a position to invest. I'd buy Bitcoin, I'd buy Ethereum, I'd buy Litecoin, I'd buy, I don't know, what else? Well, I want to buy it right now, but if I was to in general, why would I buy those? It's because they're the biggest ones. You don't even have to do much research behind it, but you should probably. But again, you should have such a large portfolio that you just don't care about this stuff. You're holding for the next couple of years, you know? But that's it. He doesn't care about football. I don't really care about football. Sorry about the Bears tonight. I don't even know what's going on. Did the Bears lose? I don't care about soccer. Money gets old, but helping people is a high that never gets old. Well, see, here's the thing. Like, money at a certain point, it's not about how much money you have. It's more about just keeping up with the game. I like work. I like live streaming. I like making videos. Are you mad at Crypto Jedi for his video on you? You know, Crypto Jedi reminds me of me with high on coins. I'm not mad at Crypto Jedi. It's just what he has to do to get his likes and his video views and all that to grow his channel. It is what it is. Honestly, you know, whatever. But he's like an Eli. You know, Mr. Eli, I'm gonna bury you underground, Eli. There will be blood. So whatever. I think Crypto Jedi has more potential, but he's limiting himself by being whatever. It is what it is. I actually do hope that, you know, he continues because his channel's growing at a decent pace. Maybe he'll get some wicked stuff one day. How long do you think Bitcoin will be relevant and increase? Oh, here's actually a good thing for the people who believe Bitcoin Cash is the only answer. So Bitcoin Cash will flip on Bitcoin. Here's the thing. Nobody cares about Bitcoin Cash except the people who are in cryptocurrency. Get that around yourself for a little bit, right? Think about it. Nobody cares about Bitcoin Cash that's not from the cryptocurrency world. So that means people who have heard about Bitcoin for the first time in their lives don't know what Bitcoin Cash is. So they're not going to invest in it. They're going to invest in Bitcoin. And where's most of the money over the next year going to come from? It's from new investments. New investments. Apart from the whales. So most of the money, apart from the whales, will come from new investments, new areas, new companies, new ICOs, new regions. We need more people in the cryptocurrency sphere, right? So everybody knows about Bitcoin. Everybody's heard about it once, but nobody really knows about Bitcoin Cash unless you're in the Bitcoin community, and you have been for a little bit. Like the grandpa working at the grocery store, the Uber driver, the janitor, they don't know what Bitcoin Cash is. So when they hear Bitcoin Cash, they're probably like, oh, Bitcoin. They probably get it confused with the normal Bitcoin. So it doesn't even matter if Bitcoin's better. You want to see a good example? Ethereum's better than, I actually support Ethereum more than Bitcoin. I want Ethereum to beat Bitcoin, but here's the thing. Even though Ethereum is better, it's faster, less fees, it's less glitchier. Sure, it's had its hard forks. Sure, it's had its problems. It's better than Bitcoin, though. But Ethereum's not going to beat Bitcoin anytime soon because of the fact that there's less support for Ethereum, just worldwide, globally. I'm not talking about the cryptocurrency community. I'm just talking about the average Joe out there doesn't even know what Ethereum is. Like, slowly it's getting into it. Ethereum is immoral and completely different. I don't know. Will the fees on regular Bitcoin go down soon? Most likely not. All this critical thinking is going to give most of your viewers headaches. Oh no, we can't think critically about Ethereum and Bitcoin Cash. But that's what it is. Monero is cool, I thought. Monero is. All the actually, let's check out Cloakcoin, because Cloakcoin did get pumped, but I still think Cloakcoin probably is an interesting thing for the future. Cloakcoin was at $5.42. Let's see where it was. So it did get pumped and it did decrease, but actually that's interesting. Cloakcoin is up 3% today, while everything else is just kind of like the market cap of everything fell to 194. Dun dun dun. Anyways, I probably should go to sleep. Let me just reveal all my information. Yeah, totally. You cannot make a minute back, but you can always make $1 back. Money's important, but it's not everything. It's more like fuel. We need it to get by and live life the way we want. This is more important than money in Poland. Do you have family in Poland? Yes, but remember, family's not as important as money, guys. Money's more important than family. If you've got a grandma, if you've got a mom, sell them for Bitcoin. I'm dead serious. Sell them for Bitcoin. Moms are replaceable. Don't believe me? Check out my other channel on the darknet. I think you guys will enjoy that. Anyways, no, I'm serious. Definitely check that channel out. Actually, I can't link it, so I want to sell my altcoins, but my internet is at a max speed of 100 kilobytes a second. How much further will Bitcoin fall? It'll fall to $1 and then to $10,000, and it'll just bounce like boom, 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 boom. Avi. Hey, I like that name, Avi. For some reason, I don't know why. Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash addresses are the same. That should be fun. No, I didn't get your Bitcoin Cash. Sorry. Is it Steven? Steven, oh boy. Crypto Jedi told the truth. Jack, Akai, and the admins lied, tried to scam some members. Wait. Let's address Go Big, okay? Let's address Go Big. So here's my main fault with Go Big. My pump and dump group. The reason I messed up is I didn't even have time. So I didn't even care about my own group enough where I didn't go onto the Discord. I haven't been on Discord in ever, which I probably should have been. And I sort of promised. Oh, fudge. Oh, fudge. See, I just forgot. I had to send something over. See, I always forget about things. There's just too much to handle. It's like I am multitasking with everything. Hold up. Let's get this Dropbox. Okay, perfect. Because I promised somebody I'd share their Dropbox link, whatever. Create a link. Do. Okay, we're done. We're done. Dropbox is good. Anyways, so phew, nearly forgot about that for the third time today. Anyways, so with Go Big, I pretty much wasn't on at all. And then I gave it over to the moderators, but some moderators were a little naughty. And then I kind of didn't care what happened at that point. So it's like, whatever. Moms are replaceable. Sell them for Bitcoins. Quote, I'm literally taking a great. I forgot my email. Wait. Oh, yeah. So Kerplunk, I think your name rings a bell. Hold up. I think Kerplunk received Bitcoin. Oh, geez. You know, I'm still confused how. See, the main reason I'm confused is because I haven't really been following with what's going on. But I received an email from Kerplunk. I received an email from someone who was impersonating you. So I had to ban 2 Kuberas because I couldn't tell who was who. Of course, we'd love to have you back. And if you'd like to join, I'll set a special role so everyone knows. Oh, I got banned from my own group. See, guys, I don't even know what's going on. I've been banned from my own group. Great. There was someone impersonating me. Great. Perfect. Let's see. I think someone lost $400 due to the fact that someone was impersonating Jack. Go Big was a mess. It's a mess. I bought Go Big. Let's shoot dice for Bitcoin. Why not? Who would the real Kubera please stand up? How do you feel about Dash? How do you feel about the Dash? It's okay. It's okay. I think if I could go back, I'd invest all my money into Dash. I'm just kidding. No. But I think I'm going to go to sleep. So thanks so much for watching. I don't believe in Bitcoin Cash. I think it's just a giant pump and dump. But then again, at the end of the day, I should probably believe in the best of best futures for all cryptocurrencies out there. Yay! Anyways, we shall see you guys tomorrow, or actually today. And I'm gonna upload a video about Mt. Gox. So, because there was a Mt. Gox update about Bitcoin. Anyways, bye.